Today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Tandem app. So all you have to do, so you just go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just click here on this sign. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then you click here on notification settings. When you just click here on notification settings here, so then it's going to take you to next step here. Then you click here on notification categories, then come to this list here. Then you go down here, come here to miscellaneous here notifications, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's meant miscellaneous notifications disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us. So like you see color, it's gone now. That's mean it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.